Guten Tag, liebe Schüler und Schülerinnen. Heute sprechen wir wieder mal über den Imperativ oder die Befehle. Today we are going to talk about the imperative or commands. Once again, we're just going to extend what we already know. So let's take a look at what you already know, what I know that you know. Okay, this first set of commands, we call them Du-Befehle. Du-Befehle are commands or requests or suggestions or even advice to somebody that you know well. That may be a friend, that may be a family member. So let's take a look at the Du commands. Du machst, mach. Du kommst, komm. Du bringst, bring. Du gibst, gib. I want you to take a look at it. Try to remember what was the rule for the Du command. I want you to just think about that right now, and as soon as you are aware of what the rule was, go ahead and continue with the video. And here we're looking at Ihr-Befehle. Ihr-Befehle are those that we would give to more than one person that we are familiar with, either friends or family, or for an adult to children. For example, when I ask you to do something, I would use an Ihr-Befehl. If I use the Du-Befehl, then I might just have Sam following the command, whereas everybody else just sits there and says, well, she didn't ask us all to do this. So, Ihr-Befehl is addressed to a group of people. Let's take a look at what these look like. We have Ihr macht, macht, Ihr kommt, kommt, Ihr bringt, bringt, und Ihr gebt, gibt. So, I want you to take a look at these four commands. You know all the words. And I want you to think about, well, what did we do here to make this a command? Once you know what you did, or what we had to do, you can go ahead and continue with the video. Okay, and here is our last set of commands, the C commands. Notice that the C is capitalized because it is the formal address. So if you were to give me advice, you were to tell me what to do, you would not use the do command. Remember, that wouldn't be polite. So you would use the C command. Now let's take a look at what Sie commands look like. Sie machen, machen Sie. Sie kommen, kommen Sie. Sie bringen, bringen Sie. Sie geben, geben Sie. Please keep in mind, and not just with the formal commands, but with all commands, a little bitte softens the blow quite a bit, okay? So while they're all called commands, they don't all have the function of a command. They may just be a suggestion, okay? So I might tell you, have some cough syrup. You're coughing so bad. Have some cough syrup. I'm giving you a command, but it's not really telling you what to do, but I'm just merely suggesting. And again, if you use a bitte in the German sentence, it always sounds very, very nice. Okay. So here we are at the rules, and this is where you start working really hard. I want you to think about the do command, the one that you already know, and I want you to be able to fill in those two blanks here. Fill them in your head and try to remember them. If you don't remember, go back in the video where you have the examples, okay? Number 2, your command, fill in the blank here. If you don't remember, go back in the video. And lastly, the C command, what exactly are we doing here? Fill in the two blanks. Once you know how to fill in the blanks here, I would like for you to go to your OneNote, go to the Befehle page in OneNote, and fill in the exercises that I have there for you. Und das war's für heute. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.